the painters. Nakaputi naman ang TERRAFIRMA. Tip-off was brought to us by Honda, official motorcycle ng PBA. Wami had to throw it back to Alex. Extra pass to Aldrich. Ilalapit ni Aldrich yan. He flips it up and in. And Aldrich Ramos, this guy is a big man with a shooting touch. Looking for some motion from his teammates. The Muses ang tumanggap. Nowhere to go. Outside to Drake Karakot. He hits the three. Unang bato pa lang.
Plays are coming from the Muses 2 times. He attacked the basket, and the second one is off an assist.
There's an assist from Jordan Williams to Drake Kahilig. Willing passer din siya, no?
Yes, yun ang maganda sa kanya because even in the previous game, he had 6 assists. Pero maganda ng shooting dito, Charlie, sa simula ng ating laro.
Here's Kabagi. Up ahead to Tiongson. A threat, of course. One-hander niya, pasok din niya.
And he has to really continue yung kanyang hot start here in this game.
Kabagnot titira just inside the three-point line. He puts it in.
He could have really made the difference with the way TERRAFIRMA would have always finished every conference.
Major injury pa din, di ba? Sa Achilles yan. Karakot! Pakicheck nga to si Karakot. Got a bit overzealous right there. Up ahead to Wami. Wami is open from 3. That's a 3.
You know, this guy is just like taking 3-point shots like a free throw.
Looking to go backdoor. Goes all the way to the other side to Karakot. Swings it to Big Bo. Santillan. Too strong on the 3. Gets his own miss. He knew he was going to miss. Sinundan niya rin. Tapos nalagay niya yung putback. It just seems so right to see Coach Yang Yao coaching Rainer Shine. And there's Bo Belga. Nakisama na rin sa 3-point party. Third 3-pointer already for Rainer Shine. Wami step back. 3 bounces out. Balls live. Nakuha ni Kabagnot. Quick move to the hoop. Puts it up and in. Para sa important chip was with prolific. Bo's second 3 of the game. Yun pala eh. Nagtataka kasi tayo kung bakit walang i-import itong Rainer Shine to start the game, Eric. There's your answer from Apple David.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Saw the opening. Atake sana, but Loftus dribble, Clarito. Belga will try again. That's 3 threes para kay Big Bo Belga.
Nagsimula kay the Muses. Ngayon naman, Gabe Norwood. So this is going to be really tough for the... oh, what a nice attack there by Asistio.
Brings it closer. Jumper. Bitin na naman yan. Kamson! Lefty layup goes underneath.
Kapos na yung tira. He's really defended very well. And Williams is not as active in the early part of this game.
Sweet shooting. What's TERRAFIRMA gonna do? Need to keep up. Are they gonna count that? Yes. Chance for the 3-point play for Javi Gomez Deliano. The nice thing is, you know, they're hanging around TERRAFIRMA. Even if their import has not really produced, just 2 points. Pero tumitikit sila. But Joel Ponferrada, pumawer move sa loob. Comes on the move, finds Calvo, quick swing to Javi. That's a 3.
Wins all the young players of TERRAFIRMA to be at 100% every single day.
Oh, look at that.
Maganda yung flow ng opensa dito ng Rainer Shine. Ito namang TERRAFIRMA. Right? Oh, wow, what a nice move. Deflected by Jordan Williams.
Good shot from Kamson. Let's see if they can follow it up. Calvo now. Passing over to Kamson. Layup easy for Eric Kamson. Back-to-back hoops for him. Cuts the lead down to 3.
He made a name for himself, Charlie, by at least being with one team, and it has proven so much there and have done so much for the team and the country.
4 to shoot. Gabe, that push 3-pointer finds the mark. And you know, that's something through the years that Ray goes to Norbert. Gabe will try again. Same result. Back-to-back threes or 2 threes para kay Gabe Norwood. Gabe will try again. That's short, followed his own miss. Tapos easy layup para sa kanya. 8 puntos para sa veterano. Jongsong creating space, a bit of a push. And that's what Asisto is telling the baseline referee. Wala bang offensive foul yun?
He was able to get away with it. On our angle, kita mo yung push eh. But on the baseline ref, you will miss that because he's on the right shoulder of Wami.
What's going on? What's going on? Meron naman, if you don't have the skill, you foul.
You have 6.
Diba?
You have 6.
Big game, James. Joining the 3-point party of Rainer Shine. In recent years has been because of poor outside shooting. There's Johnson. Well, this guy's just a scorer supreme. He
How is
finds
he-
ways, di ba? Of Jordan Williams back into the lineup. They're wishing he starts producing. Ito siya. Binalik kay Jello. Swing to Cabagnot. That's a three. Pangalawa na, di ba? Si Alex Cabagnot yan. 145 points of San Miguel last night was the highest point total for the team in the PBA since 2011. So it's been a while. And Nick Demuses on that baseline gets that one to go.
Great execution, especially for Rain or Shine. They knew what to do in that last play, especially on that back cut by the Muses.
Alolino, three.
Naunahan si Santi dun sa ilalim despite the good position.
Andre Caracon's having
Wow.
a game. He's got a potential 120-point game somewhere. If it continues na ganito, ang scoring na nangyayari. Cabagnot! That's a beautiful. If you're an Apple David fan, which most of you probably are, you'll hear her in a bit. Nice pass inside to Joseph Gabaini for the two.
Ang tiyak ay mabibigyan ka ng minuto kahit pa paano.
Gives his team a 2-point lead. Il Defonso. Pass going inside, tapped away. Gabaini jumper. Gets that one to go. A 17-foot jumper. Hindi ginamit muna si Diokson, partner. Remember, 3 personal fouls si Juan. So, mukhang sinisave. Game's probably gonna dunk this. Easy one-handed one. I mean, easy for him, not for me.
Pagkarga ng baby na lang yan.
Ray ng Batak clearing the defense. Ang Batak to Bo. Fake pass, bounce, jumper game. Alam mo, yung shooting that he gave today has been awesome.
Yes, usually Gabe is put in there with a couple of points, tapos more on the defensive end. And
Yeah.
nice.
This time, Kahilig made sure that he would convert that layup off the night. There you go. That's the Jordan Williams move. We've seen time and again attack the basket, go to the offhand.
And they're just making life miserable. Look at the way they pressure him. Tapos yan, may help si Bo.
You know. Pitong puntos na para kay Jordan Williams. I don't think he'll get 40 in this game, but how? Wow, but on that defense, pinalipad si Williams ni Borboran. Cabagnot. That's a layup. And he's got 12, even dozen para kay Alex Cabagnot. Inside
Nice
the pass. This time, Santillan is able to
pass.
finish. Aldrich swing to Cabagnot. Cabagnot goes the other way. Drop it to Aldrich and a great setup. Cabagnot to Aldrich. The veterans hooking up for that one. Now the
Nice
pass.
Oh, what a block.
That's what he can do. He's a shot blocker, this guy, Jordan Williams.
Looks of it, I'm pretty sure Coach Chieng is also looking for matchup advantages here with his team.
There you go. Jordan Williams down to 5. To the driving Santi.
Oh. They were being defended very well by TERRAFIRMA there, forcing them into uncomfortable situations.
Another basket. Jordan Williams shakes his head as he goes
Parang
down.
nagising eh.
Remember, just 2 at the half. Almost stole that one. The news is now to the side. Nice fake. Jumper good para kay Anton Asistio. That's the way to do it. Good one going on here at the Big Dome. 89-85. Calvo dropping it over to Aldrich who finishes. We've seen.
Kung meron na play na pinapatakbo si Coach Chieng.
Let him chase you around, di ba? Oh, look at this. This time, 24 to 27. That's Lebanon and Jordan respectively at the Philippine Arena. Get your tickets. Check that out. There's a drive in the lane. Karakot naman. Umangat na sa 6. Jordan. That's a 3. Jordan Williams just pouring it on in this second half right now. We'll do it to the other side. Through that one, Cabagnot will get it back. 7 to shoot. Cabagnot to Kahilig. Kahilig will miss a layup. Kamson will clean it up. Consistent one on the TERRAFIRMA side. Oh,
That's
what
another
another
block.
block. He'll keep it alive. Jordan Williams. Pass. Yongson. Pabandang tira. Nice find from Jordan. Now playing decoy on that play. Karakot. Nakailan na yan. Muntik. Oh, Santi! Great rebound. There were 3 white shirts in the vicinity, Eric. He got it, put it in, got fouled. 5 is breathing room for sure. Jordan. Oh, quick reply. I'll get that 3 back, sabi niya. Nambatak. Norwood. Gun shy after missing. Tarakut.
This guy is not gun shy. He started this game out.
Pilot si John Wooden. Use the glass yun. Sabi ng coach, John Wooden. Calvo dancing with the defense. Wami in the paint. Puts it up. Goes. Nambata. Karakot. Again!
Oh!
Just another 3 for Dre Karakot.
He's really having a fantastic game. Yung eligibility niya. Then may isang talagang puputok na player just like Wami Johnson that he has been doing against TERRAFIRMA or with TERRAFIRMA.
Good game today. Kahilig for 3.
Big
There you go.
shot.
Just like that, it's down to a 2-point game. Between Utex and Toyota way back with 16 seconds to go.
Oh, big rebound there. Big hustle play. Big hustle play by Kahilig.
That's what he does. Kahilig, Kamson, Gabaini, these guys are hustle guys. They throw it away. Kahilig now, one more. No, he missed the layup. Jordan is there. Then he attacks. That's a foul.
They lost a lot of height. So this is going to be a shorter backcourt. Depende, puso-puso na labanan yan, Charlie, lalo na with only 36 seconds left in the game.
9 of 9 from the free throw stripe is Ray Nambatak. Finally, Williams gets it. He attacks quickly. Lefty layup. Oh, it rolled out a couple of times, or rolled around a couple of times, and finally decided to drop. Ito na. Screen from Bo. Hindi naman nagamit. 3 to shoot. What's gonna happen? Pass inside.
Nice pass!
Oh!
What a play!
And that's it.
That's a brilliant play on the part of Ray Nambatak.
Wow. Wow, what a win.
So the best opportunity would be a flare out, a back pick from Kamson right here on the Muses. O pero binago nila. Will he make it? Oh, almost.
Final score brought to us by Honda.